Hello and good morning. It is Friday 13th, lovely day. This is going to be a build video on the Tiger Sig, which will be part 3. But I'm doing this bit first because I have had problems. My own fault, a lot of them. Well, yeah, all of them are my own fault, not reading instructions properly. I'll just show you first what I'm up to, or where I'm at, which isn't a lot. Bear in mind I've had this week off, but there's a lot going on here at the moment, so I haven't had time to go on get at the bench as much as I would liked. Yeah, let's have a look. Be in focus, come on, focus. Super trooper, right. So far, if we can get this light, you will notice right here somewhere, right there, got glue. I had a bit of glue spillage. This plate here has got a whacking great fingerprint in it. No, it's not, sorry, it's this bit here, because I was holding this on, just dabbing the extra thin on the little stick bits that hold that up, and it obviously seeped through under my fingers, and we got quite a fingerprint there. I got a lot of it out as much as I can, but focus, come on, terrible focus on this thing. Something else I noticed was, I don't know if we can see that, the grills, this side they're really fine, and this side they're quite thick. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. You also notice I have not done a great deal at all. I had this little wire bit there from the headlamp to that socket. That was great fun putting that on, absolute fun, to the point of getting a nightmare. So I stick one on, leave it over, one end on, leave it overnight, then do the headlamp end. What else? I'm having the hatches down, because on this one over there everything is all up. So this one, it's all going to be down. This autofocus is not working at all. And the next major thing to notice is the tow cables. Got the nice metal one this side, and I've had to use the plastic one this side. I was almost at a point of leaving it off, but I just wanted to see what the difference was anyway. The reason for that is this lovely part here. These are supposed to be 190 millimeters long, and I've cut it, this point now where my finger is, it's 190 millimeters from the end. It's about 25 millimeters too short. I don't know what I was thinking. I managed to do one, and then I cut this one too short, and I thought, oh, you nutcase. So I've got two bits. Probably not much use for anything. So yeah, that was all good fun. I was going to get on with, I'm at the tool stage now, on top, putting the tools on, all these bits and, oh come on, epoxy focus. all the tools and little photo etch clamps. You've got this lovely little bar which I was looking for last night and I could not find it, and then I did find it and I thought, my God, you are having a laugh. So that's the stage I'm at. So in a moment, or after I've taken Bella out for a walk, I'll be doing a build video. All that are a bit of photo etch. These, going down the instructions, I've got these arrows. Before you stick these tow cables and all that on, these louvers, or the rear flaps, whatever they are, up here, it doesn't show you up there, but why I've done it, because I've already stuck this on the lower hull, they should go on there before this sticks on the lower hull, because they've got to go in and slide up under, so they're hinged and working, but I could not do it that way. So it's always good to read through instructions. And the other part, which is here, your photo etch grills that go on top also need to go on first before you attach tow cables, fire extinguisher, this plate bit, no, not that plate bit, it was actually, because these little edgy bits here get in the way. So it doesn't need to go on first. That needs, preferably, once you put the grills on, preferably put that on after. But it's all good so far. Looking a little bit different. Also, now this will not close down. I don't want to push that too hard. I really can't wait to get a camera, a proper one. But she's looking good. I'm hoping to have the build, lower hull build finished today. Got to put the tow rope along there, put the side guards on. There's a little photo etch part goes along there. Photo etch Zimmerit, which is a nice little touch. Yeah, and that'll be that. So I'll just show you the problem I had last night, or why I didn't carry on building last night. This is the tools, and on the underside, which is right here, I can't, it's like now, I should be able to zoom in on that, yeah. You've got to bend the photo etch around all these little bits to shape them up, which is good. But a problem I've noticed is my eyesight must be deteriorating, because here I'm looking at that with my own eyes as well. That's in focus. As soon as I come up to about there, I can't bloody see it. So it's a bit of a problem. But anyway, so this will be going on, tow rope will be going on, all these itty bitty little bits will be going on, apart from them, because I'm having hatches down on this build. So yeah, that should be fun, because 2 years ago I had my eye test, I've got perfect eyesight, and now it seems anything close up, I can't focus on it. I really can't. So, yeah, and also what I'll do, I'll probably talk about that during the build, I don't know. I want to get a video filmed. I'm just hoping actually I've got to touch the screen. This autofocus on this is terrible, and I'm dumping so many videos because they're all blurred. So the sooner I get my camera, the better. But I do also want later on today, if I can, or maybe tomorrow, I want to do an update on everyone's progress. I know I keep saying I'm doing it, and I've tried it once. and there was a lot of swearing. I think I mentioned that before. The problem I'm having now with this camera is focus. So yeah, that is that. I will be back shortly after Belle's walkies. You going walkies, Belle's? Yeah. And we do a bit of a build video, I think. So yeah, happy days. Right, see you shortly. Well, here we are. This is going to be fun. Get our photo etch. I've got to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. MA2s, 7, and there's 8 for some reason. This is what I mean. I cannot properly see. So I'm going blind. I just can't see what the hell I'm doing. I cut all them bits off. It's going to be fun bending these, isn't it? They've got all little holes in them, which to me says someone's got a clip in them, surely? I don't know. Just got to remember these are MA2s. Without losing them. I think I'm going to have to get myself some of them geeky goggle things. I'm not cutting in close enough. How do you supposed to clean them ends up? No, I'm not cutting them close enough, so cut them a bit tighter. Sorry. Yeah, geeky goggles, I think is going to be what we have to face facts and use. Right, let's get that out of the way for a minute. I suppose clean up on them would be nigh impossible. Almost as impossible as, it's not impossible. Just picking the bloody things up. Yeah. So I've got somehow place that on there, bend it round. We are going to have fun here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to do this for a few minutes. On film, that is. Because I can already see this isn't going to be the easiest of tasks. Right, that is almost there in the right. I don't know if you can see that, but fucking hell. There we go. I've just disabled all them. Yeah, this is going to take a while. I'm glad I've got all these tweezers though. Let's hold that up. Where is itty bitty minuscule? Still, should be all good fun. Autofocus still doesn't seem to be wanting to work. Right, let's put that one there. And this is a case of nearly started. You cannot finish. Let's say there. Once you start, you can't stop. Oh, hell's bells. Oh my God. Ugh. Yeah, I'll do this just for a few minutes. Then I'll carry on off camera because I feel there could be a lot of swearing during this. Crikey, O'Reilly. Concentrating so hard you can hear me breathing. Right. Oh no, come on. What did I do? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So just right, here we go. I'll just dab my tongue on that. Seems disgusting, but I think it's going to be the only way to keep that. Where it needs to be. I'm enjoying myself immensely doing this, I have to say. Oh, for fuck's sake. This is going to be time consuming. I thought I was actually going to get the main hole completed today, and the way this is going, it's looking doubtful. Oh, there you go. Do it like that. Try that way again, shall we? Yeah, okay. That's much quicker on these little ones. Just do it on your hands or your fingertips. Should be checking, see if you're in focus or not. That is as close as I can get that before it's out of focus. Or not so much focus, but it is focus, isn't it? Oh, shut up. So what we do, oh, it's got a sharp bit on it. I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to clean them up. I'm sure I don't. They're a little bit delicate. Might be a case of when they're stuck on the model. That'd be when you do the clean up, I think. Right, so it's 7 of them. That one's not quite right. Neither is that one. Right, so that's 7 of them. That's already 13 minutes, so I'm going to cut you off. I'm going to do some more, then come back when I've made progress. So I'll see you in a moment. Well, hello, I'm back. You can't see me at the minute. Right, I have had, let's get this in. I'll say most amazing amount of fun ever, but I'd be bloody lying. It's taking me nearly all day just to get everything bent without losing it. I lost one over there, but I did find it. What I'm going to show on this is I've put this, see that hammer, but I'm not sure if these clasp handle things supposed to go up or down. That one's slightly up and it's stuck in there because I think I might have got some super glue on it. I'll just show you. They're so tiny and fiddly, it's mental. Absolutely. Those little things. I'm not sure if you're supposed to have them, once they're stuck on, do they stay like that or do you fold that over so it folds over the top, or I don't know. Because that seems to be as far as it goes, so I might leave it downwards. But for this section of this video, this is a third part, but it's all going to go into one video. I'm going to attach the spade, shovel. You're not in focus. Let's try that again. Okay. Good job I looked. I'm going to attach the shovel with its PE placements. Now I've looked through the instructions. You had a little piece here and a bit there. I'll snip them off because I was looking thinking using the PE parts you can't, something's going to have to move, so I'll snip them off. I haven't really sanded them down because there's a texture on the surface which I don't really want to lose, but I might just take a bit off because my painting skills there's going to be texture on my paint finish. Although saying that, I've got my new airbrush now. I've got the harder Steenbeck Evolution, so should make for a better quality finish. What else? I don't know. Like that. Just got to gather my thoughts. Got down the instructions here. It goes round that way. The only way I figured I can actually do this like that is glue this part on first. I bet that's gone off by now. Got the old 25-second super glue. I've got a nice little drop of that on there. So that's all that's having for a moment. I'm trying to figure out a way to I'll double check this is the right way around. Need to double check, because if it's not, this is going to come into contact with the turret. Where are we? There. Can't see it. It is. Right. So that I've also figured out here, this is where 3 hands would come in really handy. No. That went off really quick. It's supposed to be 25 seconds, I thought. Just get that there. give that a good old, it's not quite straight, I think I've just buggered that. Put that back there for a minute. You need so much patience with this. This is going to turn into a mess before I know it. Thought this was going to be a nice, fairly quick stage of the build. Now, that is that. Right, now this it says, I can't even stand the bloody thing up. Just to stand that and glue the shovel onto there, then glue the little tabs on, so I might, if it's not too clear whereabouts that's going. So what I'm going to do, so hold that down, is it? Get a bit more CA, drop there and a drop there. Up there on the middle there. Like so. So then that's there. I don't know if this is the right way I should be doing this. I've actually been looking through a couple of videos trying to watch someone else doing it, but I don't know. Right. See, where does that go? It doesn't say how that bloody sits, does it? And I've just put super glue on that. Turn the page, see how close it is to that. It is just that side of that. Does it have anything? Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah, this is where these little claspy things, I have not got a clue. So that is in there, which I think is a little bit close to this, but this is slightly in the wrong position because I forgot to drill holes here, so it might need a little bit of careful filling. That's that like that, and I've got to put this clasp on top of that, and I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to do that, so I'm doing it I don't know if it's cheating me or not, but that's the way I'm doing it. And that seems to be going all stringy. point. I don't even know if I've got anything on there or not. We'll find out in a minute, won't we? So, somehow that'll go on now. There's got to be an easier way, surely. I don't know. I don't think there's any glue on that. Oh, it could be because it's now on there, isn't it? Right, I'm going to drop more glue on that, so I think that's going off. Already doesn't take long, does it? Do a little bit of that. At least now we know it's fresh. I need to get that off. Pig scar, sorry, excuse me. Right. Bit there. Bit there. We'll try again. Try and get this. This is where I have trouble because I can't bloody see. I can see, but ideally I want to be a bit closer. Like that is going to have to bloody do for that. Right, and the next bit goes over the end of the shovel. So put a nice generous dollop of that on there, like so. Nice detail on that. Cheat a bit of lick on your finger, just so we can. There's a hole there. Why is there a hole there? So I've just covered that hole up. That's supposed to be sitting on the actual tank. I can tell you it's not. You can see that is off. So that needs to go in place. 16 minutes on this just for doing that. I don't like how close the shovel is to this whatever that is, but you can see how long this is taking me so far. I've got a axe, I think it is, yeah, an axe to go here, some bolt cropper type looking things go here, a crowbar to go in there, which is where that handle clasp could come in the way, and then the hatches, but I won't put you through that because by the time I put these three little short videos together, that's going to make this a long video, which I don't think we want, do we? Or do we? I don't know. But anyway, that's that. I'm going to put all this together, got this, the films, get them uploaded, and go from there. And then while that's happening, I've got all these. That's a slightly larger one, that's a larger one. Those three go with them three. Put them all together like that. Because that one goes with that one. Right, bells. Right, that's that. Right, so that's part, I think it would have been part 3. I'll have a look in a moment. But anyway, till the next time, happy modelling, and see you again. Okay, ta-ra!